Hairdresser Cuties Wing here. Today we're going to draw an Easter basket full of eggs. So let's get started. To draw this cute basket, let's first start by drawing a big curve across. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to drag a point across so I know kind of approximately where I'm going. So I say I want my basket about this wide. And so now that I have these 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this soft curve across. It's because I'm drawing pretty big. Just putting those points just helps me, guides me to where I'm going on the other side. Okay, so now that I have this big curve in, I'm going to come in here and round it off on both sides. So I'm just kind of like drawing the lip of our basket. And then I'm going to go ahead and just thicken it up and connect. I guess my Sharpie is drying up. The sides are not working as well. Okay, so now that I have this lip right here, I'm going to come down, come in a little bit, and we're just going to go straight down. We're just going to create a very simple basket. And I'm just going to go straight down the sides and then round it off. Now, let's say about that tall. I'm not going to make it very tall at all. So let's say about right here. I'm going to start to bring it in. So we just want to round off the bottom on both sides. And then let's just go ahead and connect at the bottom with a straight line all the way across. Okay, there. So we have a basic little basket right here. Then from there, we're going to go up with our handle. So just come in a little bit right here and here. And we're just going to draw this huge curve on top. So let's go up straight a little bit and then we're going to start to curve. It's all up to you how high you want it, but you just want enough room to put in a bunch of eggs. So that's the goal. So I'm just going to bring this over. So this is about my center and then I'll start to come down and come all the way back down. There. Okay, so then now at that, I'm going to go ahead and thicken it up. So I'm just going to follow the curve I made at the top. So I really hope this drawing brings a smile to your day and it inspires you to draw it as well. Make it your own with whatever animals, eggs that you want to put in this basket. Okay, so now that the handle in, let's come to the top. If you like, we can right in the center, about right here. Just gonna add a little loop for a bow right here, just to spruce it up and make it extra cute. Just gonna add this very simple bow right here. There. And then we can come up into this basket and we're just going to draw some curves going all the way up. And notice as I go, I'm just kind of slanting my curve as I go. By doing this, it gives my handle a little bit more volume and detail, right? So we're going to start to curve down just to make it look like a little wicker basket. And then we can do the same thing over here as well. If you want to give your basket some texture, it's all up to you. Okay, there. Now that we're done with that, let's bring this basket to life. Well, actually, you know what? Let's put some eggs in it first, right? So I'm going to start right in the center for our first egg, and I'm going to come right here. We're going to draw a curve up and nice and big. And it's always, these eggs are always going to be a little bit narrower at the top. So just keep that in mind, and then we're going to bring it down. So just try your best to make it narrower at the top. So now that I have one egg, let's put in another one. I'm going to slant it a little bit, so just in this space. And we're just going to draw another one right here. 2, and then another one about right here. And just tuck it in. and then 2 more in the back. So let's just kind of put it in the center. So right here. And down. And 1 more. There. Got 5 eggs in, right? Okay, so then from there, let's bring this basket to life with some big Draw So Cute eyes. So if you want to do that, let's come about right here, and I'm just going to draw this huge circle. One, and then we're going to come right across, say about right here, and draw another really big circle to fill in the space for our basket. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. Okay, I think I really need to retire this Sharpie. It's getting way too dry. Okay, so here we go. Let's try this one. See, hopefully this one's a little bit better. Yes, much better. Sorry about that. Actually, this one's not even that much better at all. Maybe it's the cold weather. It's making these Sharpies a little bit drier. Okay, so then lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. It's been so cold and rainy every day here. But I'm not complaining. I love the rain and I do love the cold weather. And my garden definitely loves the rain. Okay, so we're almost done with these huge eyes. And then lines at the bottom, just like the other side. So now that with eyes in, let's come to the top of each eye, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then let's give our basket a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and then cap it off. There. Notice this eye is a little bit narrower than the other one, so let's just make it a little bit wider. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring these cute eggs to life. And so today the theme is going to be a bunch of animals on these eggs. So that's how I'm decorating them. So the first one is going to be a duck. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm just going to draw an oval. Like I said, I just really hope this inspires you and brings a smile to your day. And right here in the center, I'm just going to draw a curve and then some little eyes right at the top. And then when you color it yellow, you know for sure it's a duck. And then let's see here. This one's going to be a chicken. So I'm going to come right here, draw a beak. And I'm going at this angle. And 2 little beady eyes right here at the top. And then right here at the top right here, you can add a little feather or crown right there to make it color it red. And then this one's going to be a pig, so let's come right here. We're going to draw the snout. So we're just going to draw this oval, and then I'm just going to wobble a little bit towards the center, and then 2 dots, and then 2 eyes at the top. Aww. And then make it a pig. Let's come right here, draw a little ear, the inside, and let's see here, I'll make this one go up a little bit, whatever space I have. There. And then let's see here, this one, let's make it a rabbit. So I'm going to come to the top right here, and we're just going to draw 2 little ears. And I'll kind of make them go the same way. Draw the inside of our ear. And then let's see here, let's come right here with 2 eyes, and then a curve for the nose and mouth. I should actually turn my body this way, it makes it a little bit easier. and a little nose. And then you come in here with 2 little whiskers. And then let's see here. This one, let's make it a cow. So right about here, I'm gonna go ahead and just draw this rounded off rectangle shape. Then 2 little ovals right here, and then 2 circles for the eyes. And then, of course, you can put in some patches so we know for sure it's a cow. And then at the top right here, 2 little horns and some ears. There. And let's see, are we missing anything? Maybe, well, this gets too messy over here. I was thinking maybe giving our duck a little feather, but we'll just leave it like this. And I really hope you loved this drawing. And like I said, I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and that it made you smile today. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.